Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a white paper greeting card for Diwali. For this I have taken an A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then take a circular lid and draw a circle. Cut along the circle. Then using a ruler, mark at 2.5 cm intervals. That is, you have to mark at 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10 and 12.5 centimeters. Draw lines as shown. And then we are going to make small diyas here. First I am making the diya using a black ball pen. You can also use a marker. Next I am going to draw lines using black pen and then I will make small dots. Then we can add fine details to the diya and we will be coloring it. Next I am highlighting the circle as shown using a brush pen. I have placed a paper below. Next I am making small dots all around the circle using pen, and then I am highlighting it using yellow brush pen. Finally I am writing Happy Diwali in the middle and highlighting it using yellow brush pen. You can write whatever message you want inside, and that's it. Our Happy Diwali card is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.